They're going to share for people. The people, they're going to give their card, see our card, and I'll be our member. When you be a member, since 25 years, you don't see shit, you don't see mess. What you say we met you for? Now we tell now, we women will get corrected. We women will get corrected. So we go follow Akpata. And this time we go follow Akpata. This time, all that you want out of our body. Now this one will take up Akpata. Not be leg. Not be eyes, not be mad. You put up a small ink. Akpata. Akpata. I thank God that you come today. Remember it back in
Election day. Bros, hear me first now. Hear me. Election day, 21 September. Una go polling units. Collect your ballot paper. Una get PVC now. Collect your ballot paper. When you look the ballot paper, you go see all their logo. Because logo not the hard name to do. You go see the logo of the one when not agree do road. The road spoil sote tanker when they carry petrol fall. The fuel leak. Fire cash. 300 people die for logo. You now remember? When you see their logo, you go swear for them. Ogun will kill you. Then you go jump their pass. Until you hear. You go see the logo of the one when not great big hospital. When get better, they find where you go do cesarean section. He not see hospital. He not see doctor. Mama die, the kid die. You go swear for them. You go jump their pass. You go see the logo of the one when not great build school. So tell our children they back here they smoke it book. Because the idle mind is the devil's workshop. You go swear for them. You go jump their pass. Until you go reach Hello, Papa, Mama. You don't put them. Pion. No press am, no drag am. Just pion. That pion matter don't set. Everything don't stew. Everything don't set. Because Labour Party now for Papa, Mama, Pikin. We get human sympathy. We get human feeling. Everything when human being need, Labour Party, now we want to do. Not be the one when we want to put money for our pockets. I thank you now. God will bless you now, Mama. Thank you. And I thank you now also say we now forgive us, say we live. Then a PDP. You know say Akpata here, they are now one. We feel they call them PDAPC. Now one they be. And we go tell them on the 21st say they don't fail and we don't sack them. Labour Party is for Papa, Mama, Pikin. And I know say the one when they worry una be say when una vote whether the vote go count. Abi? Una they worry about security. Abi? I don't wear Ugbe na mie umodia. I will not be so. They do us the thing the first time. They're not going to do it again. We go stand. Una self go stand. Men mount. Not be so. No shaky. Now so we do it for Abia. Abia 4 days and don't sleep until they release results. I don't know the carry last. If na Labour una want vote for, they must announce that result. I don't know the year. They not get too head. They're not the short bottle. Yeah. So I beg, tell somebody to tell somebody. Some people sit there and say, I get PVC, but I'm not going to go vote. No, everybody come out. Labour Party is here to the rescue. Abba for Abia State, that's not the only governor we get. They get like 24 hours every day. We don't find that one for you. Women, they give women interest-free loan for Abia State. We don't find that one for you. Then these bad head people hold us for work. we go throw away them. We go throw away them. We don't like suffer. Our mumu don't do. I don't know. That is the message of Labour Party. That is the message of 21 September. We do wait for now. God bless you all. I think we get where these people carry cap. We carry.
To actually see, you can see how excited.
They don't bring our cap come here before. So this, oh yeah. Where's our chairman? Make us carry cap.
Keeping to his promise of going around the state and meeting people.
Chairman, who flag? Oh yeah. Chairman, make the carry cap. The cap say, Oluna, my guy. Our DG talk. Amanario is the problem, Abi. Marine. My Olumide Osaibovo Akpata. And the governorship candidate of the Labour Party. Yes, I don't know. Labour Party! Natana. This Saturday, no. Saturday, 21st September 2024. Labour Party, okay, Papa, Mama, Era, Iye, Teremo. That's who we be. Where Papa, Mama, and Pikin dey, na there we be. So, he pay me say we not quick come and say we dey go, but the message is the same. Now 25 years now we don't suffer under PDP and APC. The election on Saturday, no need to put water for mouth when we dey talk now. They don't fail. They don't fail. And we must show them say they don't fail. On that Saturday. Yes. They call our election day. We they call am Freedom Day. Now that day we go get our freedom. Yes. Government, state when they receive 16 billion every month. State when they borrow reach 600 billion. Nothing to show. To borrow not be problem. Now to waiting, no, before to pay. Waiting if I use and do. Now be the. So we go show them say the Bible say by their fruit. I don't know. They get fruit. Gary 90,000 a bag. Then APC. Road not there. See, reminds me. I say they for tell us make we use canoe come now. The one where we pass just now.
Njenje Media TV shining bright and bold. Bringing news from the corners of the globe. Connects us together, no matter the road. Watch us rise, hear the voices roar. Unity and diversity, together we soar.